Hello everyone, what up to you or wherever you are? Good evening, good afternoon, and good night if you are going to sleep. As at now, it's 10 p.m. over here from my end. I don't know about you. So, I'm making this quick update to tell you more updates about the incentive protocol, which we have actually been working on for quite a while now. So with the incentive, as you can see from my screen, incentive is currently allocating 26% of the entire cent token supply to network contributors, and that is huge. This should tell you that this very project has got a future and it has got a real world use. Why and how do I know about this? First point, usually tokens with real world use, they don't really give out about 50 or 60% or huge chunk of it to the community. They reserve it so that the tokens will be utilized over a period of time. And as you can see, they are giving 26%, so the much of it that is left will be used for other stuffs. Okay, so which means this very project is having quite a good real world use. And if you go to their X and you see the partnerships they are making, you will be amazed because they are making quite a headline. Okay, now with the 26%, they are saying that 20% of total cents supply to network contributors. Okay, and that means immediate rewards for those who build on incentive, secure the chain, and then engage with dapps. Okay, so if you go to the incentive protocol dashboard, you will be seeing the dapps session over there, or I think they will either introduce a feature for that so that you can have a separate kind of engagement for that, because on incentive anything you do here counts. Okay, so with even this one, if I am able to go to X right now and then I tweet about it, I'll get points for that over here. Okay, so quickly let me show you how to do that. So quickly, you click on the arrow sign plus any of this. So you see this is repost and this is comment. Okay, and then this is to like. So let's go and like it. We will do all once at a go so that you will not have to be switching between tabs. Okay, so we are saying the very post we saw has actually been moved right here. They actually posted it. Okay, so you like, you repost it, and then you comment. Okay, make sure that the comment is 25 words or more. So I can say something like, wow, that is great. Looking at the heavy moves incentive protocol is making, then this project has a bright future. Okay, every action counts. With real participation taken into consideration. Okay, so after you post something like this, you add hashtag incentive hashtag incentive. Okay, incentive, then you post it. Okay, now my post has been sent. Now this is my post. Okay, now let's go to our Discord and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so over here, as you can see, it is saying that okay, they've added a new feature that says share. Initially share wasn't here, now there is share. Okay, let me take you back so that you see what I mean. Okay, you can see that here we have like, and then we have repost, and then we have comment. There is no share. So share was added recently because they want to include more of the participation. Okay, so after you do that, you come here, then you click on this paste button, so it will paste, and the server will read directly from X according to your added Twitter account over here. So you first have to link your Twitter account to Discord so that it will be read here for you. Okay, so I think it is currently loading. It's not yet done. It has recognized my tweets and marked it. Now it has to recognize the like and then the repost as the like and then the comment. Okay, then I'll be giving points based on that. Let me press it again. Oh, I think okay, so you, this one, it will load. Just I think it is a little bit congested, that's why it's doing that. Now let's go back here. Let me show you something over here. Now when you are done, you get points. Okay, with the points you come to marketplace, and then you come and buy. You can buy points over here, and then you convert it to incentive points. Okay, and the more points you have, then you can get initiated and all that. Okay, so they have the initiated session, they have people who have got the other roles. Okay, so I'll just buy an item here. Okay, so you click on buy, then you come and choose which one you want to buy. So I want to buy 5 incentive roles. Okay, so I'm buying. I have successfully bought 15 incentive points for 5 points. Okay, so the points I have gathered from my engagement is what I am using. Okay, now I want to convert this 15 points back to incentive points, so I have to come back here and then convert. Okay, now I have received 15 points. You see, I use the points I got to buy actual points. There are points, these points, there are 2. Okay, actually there are 3. We have points you get on the incentive dashboard, on the Incentiv Protocol testnet, and then we have points that you get from engagement, and then you have the actual points that you get after you do conversion, and then you engage in games and all that. Now from the place we have converted to 15. Okay, so let me go and show you the other points. Okay, so you come here, then you put in the bot command over here, slash leaderboard position. Okay, slash leaderboard underscore position, then you hit send. So my position and the amount of points I have will be shown. Okay, so it's loading. As you can see, I have 380 points. Okay, now make sure that every single day you come here and check. As you can see, this is it. My retweet has been marked, my comment has not been marked. It seems the amount of words I used is less. Okay, and then my like has also been marked. So as you can see, I was giving 2 points instead of 3 points. Okay, and then the total was up to 8. Okay, and remember I have used 5 to buy 15 points, so it has to be reducing. Okay, so the next time I come and do another engagement, it will reduce, it will add up to the remainder. Now it's left with 3 because I use 5. Okay, so it will be added up, and then I'll be buying the points until I am able to get to a point where I'll get initiated. Okay, with the initiated, when I get there, I'll make a video on that also to let you all know. Okay, so I wish I can open the incentive dashboard from here, but I don't think that will be possible. Okay, so I will be keeping you all posted in case of anything new that arises, especially on this very thing. There is a new project I want us to look at. It's called Gopher. Gopher. It's a new project, but it's more of incentive based, and it's related to actual money engagement. So you have to actually trade on the platform for you to get part of it. Okay, so let me see if I can. Okay, okay, let's see. And their site is quite new, but not all that new. So here you use a Kepler wallet to do this. Okay, so if you have MetaMask, you import your wallet from MetaMask into Kepler, then you use it. And notice, for you to connect from your mobile phone is quite something, so I suggest you use your PC for this very thing. Okay, so with that much I say, I'll keep you all posted, especially on this very project. They are now having their pre-sale, which means it will be launching very soon. Okay, so as you can see, Go AI ICO pre-sale register for the white wait list. Okay, so it is currently in the pre-sale phase, which means CG will be happening very soon. Okay, so I'll keep you all posted and see you all in another video. Peace out.